Hey everybody, Fred here, Fasty's Garage. Hey, just wanted to go over the color chasing illuminated inlet kit today. Just the basic components that come with the kit and the basic connections. So you get an overview of what's involved in actually connecting up this kit and what the various color wires and components are. So you come with 2 inlet tubes, the harness, the SP110E controller, Positap connector, Positap tap connector, and a little extra hookup wire for the right driver's side turn signal. So basically the outputs, it's pretty self-explanatory. These 2 plugs go to the inlet tubes. Your SP110E controller, the SP110E controller comes with a little pigtail. The green wire, I have this question asked a lot. The green wire is the antenna, so you don't need to do anything with that. It plugs in the only input. Then you have blue is driver's side turn signal. You just take the Positap tap connector, open the cap up a little bit, loosen the cap a little bit, I mean. Insert the wire, twist, that locks on the wire. Same thing here with your little extension wire. Push that in, twist the cap closed, makes a good connection. These are real simple to use. Again, loosen the cap, insert the wire, twist the cap to lock it, and that's it. And the black side has a groove that goes over the factory wire that you're going to tap, and the connector itself has a needle. So whenever you put the wire through the slot, the groove, then you insert the cap into the connector and you twist the connector. The needle pierces the wire, makes a nice good connection. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to that. So blue is driver's side, green is passenger side turn signal, and white is passenger side for the daytime running light. Those connections and the pins are outlined in the instructions on what color code wire and what pin they go on the factory connector on the back of the headlight. Okay, so you have your SP110E plugged in. Your self-taps are ready to connect to your factory headlight for turn signals, daytime running lights. Then you have power and ground. Power goes to the B post, the red cap next to the fuse box up front. And the ground goes to the fender bolt right below the fuse box on the fender. You'll see there's a ground bolt there with some other wires connected to it. You loosen that, connect the ground there, make sure you tighten the ground up good. Same thing here, 13mm bolt on the fuse box, B post, 10mm on the ground. And so just so you see how that works, you hook up positive, hook up ground, and voila, your inlet tubes light up. The blue wire goes to your turn signal. So to demonstrate turn signal, let's see, and you get pulsing turn signal. Same thing with the daytime running light. Daytime running lights, if you hook that up whenever daytime running lights are on, turns the tubes white. Same thing for the passenger side turn signal. And that's basically it. Those are your connections. We'll go over these one more time. White, daytime running light. Green, passenger side turn signal. Blue is driver side turn signal with the extension. The harness is put near the fuse box. Fuse box for V+, fender bolt for ground. SP110E can be tucked underneath the fuse box, so it's out of the weather, out of the elements, out of the water, away from water. And that's it. pretty much plug and play, pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, email us at info@fastiesgarage.com. Thanks for watching.